All right, so check this out. I took this off of my service truck. It is like a caution light that mounts on top of the truck. And this was a service truck, so it would, go and be in repairing things. I took it off because I don't need it, and it had a couple bulbs that were burned out on it. So I took it apart. You kind of take the end of it off. You can see those two screws there. You take the end of it off and slide this piece off, and then you can get in here and change all those bulbs. But so I changed these two bulbs. These are actually the bad bulbs that were in there. It was $8 for these bulbs here at the local automotive store down the street. I'm sure if I'd have ordered these off of Amazon, they'd have been a lot cheaper. I'll put a link to these on Amazon for if somebody wants to check them out, see how much cheaper they are. But this is the unit. Like I said, it's came from my service truck. Let's look at what it does. So you can hit power. Right now it's on center, so you can see it just lights and goes toward the arrows there. All right, so now let's look at what happens if I go to left. You can even see the lights on what it's doing here, so it's pointing to the left. Let's see what that looks like. So there it is, lighting to the left, and we had it on center, but I'll let you see that one again. This is center. All right, of course right is going to do the right arrow. There's the right arrow, and then there is a flash mode. Just flashes some lights, so that's the flash mode. So anyways, I pulled this off the service truck. I have no use for it, so I'm going to put this thing for sale. Probably just listed on Craigslist. Let me know what you think it's still worth down in the comments. I don't know. I mean, I've looked these kind of things up. I've seen some light bars for, $400, $500, $600. Most of them are LED nowadays. So I don't know. I'm thinking 150 bucks maybe. It still works great. I mean, you replace the lights and the controller works good and everything. I just have it hooked up to a battery right now. So let me know what you think. If you would put down in the comments what you think this should go for. I'm actually going to create a Craigslist ad, and we'll see how much I can get for this and see what it ends up being. So anyways, just wanted to show you one more thing I took off that truck that I don't need. I already sold the crane off of that truck and got the air compressor pulled off. I thought I had somebody buying that, but they seemed to disappear. But I've got that listed on Craigslist also. So now I'm going to list this. I'll let you know how much it goes for. But if you can put in the comments below what you think it'll go for, and when it sells, we'll see what happens. All right. Thanks everyone for watching. See y'all soon.